So we'll go from our measurements. So I'm going to ask you a question again. This side, I'm not hiding behind the camera because I'm going straight to you. Right, this side is having this on it. I don't want to know the name yet because Harrison's going to tell us that. But what measurement from the top to the middle did I say for this?
90.
Speak up for the camera, love.
90.
90. Right, mint. Okay, so I'm going to stick that in. What have I just stuck in there, Harrison?
Like the emergency. Something.
Emergency. Are you still in your napper, love? What is that?
The water filler.
Go on.
Emergency water filler. Right here.
He's close, but he's miles off a cigar, isn't he? What is it?
Is that warning pipe?
It's a warning pipe. Yes? Now, it's a warning pipe. What's it got inside it? What did I say it's got inside it?
Filter.
A filter, right? So it's a screened warning pipe. Screened basically means it's just got a filter inside it. Why do you think it's got a filter inside it? If I've got a warning pipe, if something went wrong with this, okay, and it went up like that, so when it goes up, it's meant to stop. That one's working, but the washer inside could be damaged. So the floor's gone up, but water's still coming out. You're not in, or it happens in the middle of the night. So this system is still filling with water. Where's it going to go? It's going to go out of here, and it comes down this warning pipe, and it goes to outside. Right? So it's a plastic pipe that goes and sticks outside of the brick wall outside. And if it's working, or in this case if it's broken, water will be cascading out of that pipe, and it warns you there's a problem, hence the name. It's called a warning pipe. Right? It isn't called an overflow pipe. A lot of people call it an overflow pipe. It's only an overflow pipe if the system that it's connected to is bigger than 1,000 litres. Right? Is this bigger than 1,000 litres, Riley?
No.
How big do you reckon it is?
I don't know.
Hazard a guess. 18? 18 litres? 20 litres?
Oh, 22.
22 litres, you reckon's in here?
Somewhere around
Yeah?
that.
This is round about 100 litres, this one. Yeah? About 100 litres.
I was going to say that.
Yeah. Okay? So it's about 100 litres there, so we don't need an overflow pipe. If it's over 1,000 litres, it would have two pipes on it. It would have this, which is called what, Max? Warning pipe, and it would have an overflow pipe. So it'd have two. It'd have a warning one, tells you there's a problem. If nobody spots it, it's got that much water in it, over 1,000 litres. Bloody hell, we need to get rid of this quickly. So it has a larger pipe that gets rid of that water quickly. So we've got this in, all part of the bylaw 30 kit. We've got our floor operated valve, part number 2. Part number, difference between them. Right, okay, so I want to take this float off, so it just simply unscrews, yeah, and I'm going to put it onto this float operated 2. Get rid of that, and then put it on here. Right, so what we're missing from here, I've got one nut. I need two, don't I? Yeah? Right, left us a favour, take that one off for us.
Oh.
The white nut, please, yeah.
Oh.
This thing here, okay, that attaches, so floor operated valve in, drill me hole, that's going through, then I put this on, and it's a stability bracket. I'll show you what I mean. If I just screwed that on there, can you see that where you are with full? Yeah. If I just screw that on there, over a period of time, that weight, it sags, can you see it, and it distorts it. So if I have that on, it just gives it that bit more of rigidity. Yeah. So this is a plastic nut. What tool would I select to tighten that up? Adjustable spanner. Can I not use the water pump pliers? Not ideal, Max. Purely because of the teeth in the jaws, can destroy this. Yeah, you see, it's in quite good nick, isn't it? Really, that considering it's been in here, and there's a reason for that. It's because we've used spanners on it. Yeah. Right, so that's on. We've got water coming in, and if it all goes wrong with this float operated valve, I've got an allowance here for the water coming out, haven't I? Yeah. There should be a lid, but I'm not bothered about that yet. This comes with it. Okay. So I will have measured up from the bottom, from the base, and I will have drilled a hole in there as well. So we measured down 60, then we measured down 90. How high up do you think I've got to come?
30.
30? Right, there's a reason. Have you ever heard of the water regulations? Yeah, you should have, right? Inside the water regulations, there's a blue section and there's a red section, right? So the blue is mandatory, like a mandatory sign, you have to do that. And then there's a red one, which is a guideline. And the guideline says, ideally, if you can, put the hole at the bottom. So then what it does, it cleans out the entire of the cistern all the time. But it's not practical, that. If you think, just pause it there, please.